A very warm welcome to the Daily Crypto Vision of Jan Robert Schut of Crypto Academy. Today we are in quarantine nowadays in the Netherlands as well because of COVID-19, aka the coronavirus. So we are stuck inside to be safe, better safe than to be sorry. Anyway, we saw some gains on the crypto markets. The Bitcoin is gaining more than 5.6%. BTC dominance ticking up again towards 66%. Ethereum also decent gain of 5%. XRP 2.8%. Bitcoin Cash 4% higher, and also Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. These last days we took the opportunity, the possibility to buy some coins again for the HODL portfolio and also for dollar cost averaging portfolio, and that's very interesting to see that it went well. Of course, during the drop lost some money, but also during the rise earned some money again. And it's very important to stick to your system, and we always say in the office, stick to the fucking system. If you have a trading plan, stick to that and don't be scared too much. Crypto hedge fund which has been scared very much. It was Adaptive Capital went bankrupt during the fall, the drop towards 3,600, and Adaptive Capital is a crypto hedge fund which has announced that it will shutter all operations after taking heavy losses during the March 13 crypto market meltdown, where the Bitcoin price dropped to a 2020 low at $3,775, and the fund has now issued a letter to its investors announcing the closure of the fund and the return of all remaining assets to investors. The hedge fund had previously reported gains over 552% from October 3, 2018 through May 3 last year, and according to the firm, a series of infrastructural problems with the trading venue were a primary cause of the losses. Although the venue has been named in Adaptive Capital's letters to investors, BitMEX was operational for almost an hour during a massive sell-off, and leaving the hedge fund operators unable to respond to the market. BitMEX has since reported on this and has blamed a DDoS attack for down periods. We have identified the root cause of two DDoS attacks at 2:16 UTC and 12:56 UTC on 13 March of 2020 for a full account of what happened and how we are responding, according to BitMEX. And since dropping from 10.5k, Bitcoin price action has already taken a bearish slant, and the digital assets positive trend seems to have been broken on February 26, when a daily candle failed below and failed to gain above 9,200. This completed head and shoulder pattern was followed by a strong downside for Bitcoin, and the bloodbath that ensued was unpredictable, as no one, including Adaptive Capital, seemed to expect a devaluation of around 50%, and leaving Bitcoin below 4,000, a price point that hasn't been since April last year. Like many institutional investors, Adaptive Capital likely had the longer Bitcoin's price action on a longer time frame in mind. Proof this comes from August 2019 tweet from Murad Mahmudov, former Goldman Sachs analyst and the chief investment officer at Adaptive Capital. In a tweet, Mahmudov showed just how bullish he was in predicting 100,000 price target for Bitcoin in the long run. And of course, it's very easy to shout prices like 100k or 1,000, but you have to put the money where your mouth is, in my opinion, and don't take too much consideration and take too much notice of these so-called analysts who are shouting just for shouting. Anyway, the price is recovered now again, and as I stated, Bitcoin Cash I added to portfolio of the HODL and also for dollar cost averaging. And on a weekly basis, with the Trade Navigator, we see still a sell. However, on a daily basis, there is a slight bullish sentiment now, whereas we have to wait for a buy entry signal for the longer term on daily basis. and then must be a rally towards 300 or more even. But when you take into account for a smaller time frame for the traders, we can take the 4-hourly basis, and there it is. You have buy signal around 226, and with a stop loss below on 20% at 190, we can go for the kill for the short term towards at least 280 in my opinion. And we have now a trading range of more or less 40 points, and that takes us to a 40 plus 240 is 280 target. So anyway, if you would like to see more information, more crypto updates, go to cryptoacademy.nl. Hasta la vista. Ciao.